We are learning how to identify the roots of chords. So Ella, we're in measure 3. Does this chord have gaps or no gaps?
Gaps.
It has gaps. So is it a root position chord or is it in inversion?
Inversion.
It's in inversion because it has a gap. So the note above the gap's the root. So color that note in.
This one?
Yep, the note above the gap. And what's the name of that note? Bum, 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 bum.
C.
It's a C. So will you write in C right here by the C in the left hand? Because C is the root of the chord, and you are playing the roots of the chord in the left hand. So write in a C. No, you don't need to color it. You're just going to write in a C. And look, on this one, you didn't color in the note above the gap. You just colored in the bottom note, but it's not in root position. It's got to be, this has a gap, so it's
okay.
The note above the gap's the root. It just has rearranged. And that's why we wrote in C. So now we're going to go to the next one with Savannah. Savannah, this last chord in measure 4, does it have gaps or no gaps?
No gaps.
No gaps. So is it in root position or is it in inversion?
Root position.
It's in root position. So the chord's in root position and the root is down
below.
Yeah, so she colors in that bottom note. And what's the name of that bottom note that you colored in?
F.
It's F. So will you please write the F down by the note in the bass clef or right there? Yes? Because that's an F chord. Because it's the root that gives the chord its name, and every chord has got to have a root. You found the root. And then you continue and do this on the second line also. Root position, the root is down below. Inversion, that's when there's a gap. The note above the gap's the root. It just has rearranged.